What are you doing? Are you driving?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you a great driver?
Yeah. Uh-oh. It's not driving.
Nope. It ain't moving. Daddy's the only one that gets to drive this car. Mommy sometimes.
Glasses. Think it was glasses.
You want glasses?
Yeah. And I can see the clouds.
You gonna see the clouds?
Yeah. It's hot.
It's hot. No. Don't go back there. Don't go back there. Don't go back there.
What?
You get stuck.
No, I wanted to get me stuck. Ooh.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Nick is picking. Oh, buttons.
Buttons.
Yeah. Uh-oh. It's not buttons.
No, they're not working.
The daddy's coming. Wow.
You can do it.
Oh. Oh, glasses. I want glasses.
You do.
Yeah.
Look how cool you look.
My glasses hot.
They're hot.
Yeah. They're hot. Keep it. I know Daddy says. Daddy's keys.
No, leave them alone.
It's not working. Uh-oh.
What are you doing?
It's not working. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10. Oh. As a feather.
No, that's a leaf.
It's a leaf?
Mm-hmm.
It's me. Oops. It's me.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. It's a feather.
Yeah, that's a feather right there. Good job. No.
Look up. Oh, lights. Look, it was 2 lights. 1, 2, 3. You can push the buttons.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, 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 boom. Oopsie, it's not working. Oh. Oh. Ooh.
What are you doing?
Nikki was alive.
No. Don't touch those.
Why not?
Because they're too far away.
Okay. Let me go find the clue.